Bafana Bafana scored to the top of Group C with a hard-fought 2-1 win over Benin on Saturday. The encounter at the Moses Mabhida Stadium, Durban, opened South Africa's 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers account. By their standards, the Durban supporters disappointed and did not come in large numbers as expected. But the few who came out created a wonderful atmosphere in the iconic arena as Bafana Bafana huffed and puffed against a Benin side that was there for the taking. Truly speaking, Bafana Bafana should have spanked the visitors hard, but they wasted a litany of scoring chances. They allowed the cheaters back into the game when they were struggling for some breathing air. Coach Hugo Boss will have to push his players very hard in their next matches because goal difference will play a major role when the group is decided at the end. Pesitao opened the scoring as early as the first minute when he chipped the ball over the advancing Benin goalkeeper Kasif Aleb. This comes after some good work from Teboho Mokoena in midfield, who unleashed a delicious pass that sliced the Benin defense, but the South African relaxed and allowed the visitor to attack them. Instead of going for the throat, Benin surged forward and troubled the home side. But they could not get the ball over the line. Kuliso Mdawo increased the lead when he blasted the ball into the net following Alabe's mistake on the stroke of halftime. In the second half, South Africa kept possession but did not trouble the visitors, and against the run of play, Benin launched a counter-attack and reduced the deficit when Steve Mound scored with a neat half volley. Dawo missed a couple of chances that would have given South Africa a comfortable win. However, his overall performance was enough to earn him a Man of the Match accolades. Benin will stay in Durban, where they will be hosted by Lesotho for their second Group C match on Tuesday. Lesotho have opted to use Moses Mabhida for their home match as the Soto Stadium in Maseru no longer meets FIFA standards.
Well, the man who's got it is the man who...
Congratulations to Bafana Bafana. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe for more sports news.